Hi, friend, my name is Luke and today we talk about best cameras in 2019. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more tech videos. If you want to see the price and find more information about these products, links in the description below. Best cameras under £500 per $600 in 2019. You might assume that the best cameras always command the highest prices, but it's now possible to get yourself a top quality camera without paying out a fortune. Especially with all the cheap camera deals we're seeing at the moment. A budget of $600 per £500 will typically get you an advanced compact camera, an enthusiast-focused mirrorless model, or an upper entry-level DSLR. Exactly which you should go for depends on your needs and intentions, but one thing the following models have in common is that they're all standout products in their respective categories. 1. Nikon D3500. Type: DSLR, sensor, APS-C CMOS, megapixels, 24.2 MP, lens mount, Nikon DX, screen, 3 inches fixed, 921K dots, continuous shooting speed, 5 FPS, max video resolution, 1080p, user level, beginner, enthusiast. Not only is this just about the freshest and newest beginner DSLR on the market, it also comes in well under our top budget, leaving you cash left over for accessories. The D3500 is a refreshed and redesigned version of the D3400 before it, with a 24-megapixel sensor and a fast-focusing AFP 18-55mm kit lens with a retracting mechanism so that it takes up less space when you're carrying it around. The cheapest deal includes a non-VR lens, but we'd recommend paying just a little extra for the VR version. 2. Nikon D5300. Type: DSLR, sensor, APS-C CMOS, megapixels, 24.2 MP, lens mount, Nikon DX, screen, 3.2-inch articulating, 1,037,000 dots, continuous shooting speed, 5 FPS, max video resolution, 1080p, user level, beginner, enthusiast. The D5300 appears as a fairly conventional entry-level DSLR, but it offers a handful of features not typically seen on other models of its type. These include a generously sized 3.2 inches LCD screen, a 39-point AF system and even a GPS system, the latter making it particularly strong for traveling photographers. Nikon also chose to drop the anti-aliasing filter from the camera's 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, which gives it an edge in terms of the detail it can capture over rival 24 MP bodies. The only real downside is that it doesn't offer a touchscreen, but you're still getting a highly versatile camera that delivers great results. It's been superseded by the latest Nikon D5600, but don't worry about that, the D5300 has lots of life left in it yet. 3. Canon EOS Rebel SL2 EOS 200D. Type: DSLR, megapixels, 24.2 MP, lens mount, Canon EFS, screen, 3-inch tilting touchscreen, 1,040,000K dots, viewfinder, yes, optical, continuous shooting, 5 FPS, movies, full HD, 1080p, user level, beginner. The EOS Rebel SL2, also known as the EOS 200D, isn't Canon's most recent DSLR, but that means its prices have had time to drop, so it out-specifies the newer EOS 2000D but matches it on price. You get Canon's excellent dual-pixel CMOS AF system, which delivers mirrorless-like autofocus performance in live view and effective adherence in movies, as well as the latest DIGIC7 processing engine and the full Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth triplet of wireless connectivity options. 5 FPS burst shooting is decent, and the option to attach a microphone boosts its full HD video capabilities, while compatibility with decades worth of quality Canon lenses only further enhances its appeal. 4. Panasonic Lumix GX80-85. Type: mirrorless, sensor, 4/3, megapixels, 16.0 MP, screen, 3.0-inch, 1040K tilt touch, viewfinder, electronic, 2765K, lens, micro 4/3, continuous shooting speed, 8 FPS, 40 FPS elect shutter, max video resolution, 4K, user level, intermediate. Incredible value for money, with or without its smart little 12-32mm kit zoom lens. The Panasonic Lumix GX80-G85 shoehorns a host of high-tech features into its diminutive, compact style build. These include 5-axis image stabilization, light speed AF, post-focus and 4K ultra-high definition for both video and rapid-fire stills, as featured in Panasonic's top-end cameras. There's also a high-res electronic viewfinder built into the back of the camera, along with a tilting touchscreen. If you want a camera that goes large on features and performance, but with a small build and price tag, this is amazing value for money that will leave you with cash to spare. 5. Sony A68. Type, SLT, sensor, APS-C, megapixels, 24.2 MP, screen, 2.7 inches, 461K dots, viewfinder, electronic, continuous shooting speed, 8 FPS, max video resolution, full HD, user level, beginner. Very much a Marmite camera, but one that definitely deserves a nod here. With its less conventional SLT construction, the camera is able to offer 79 phase detect points, which is considerably more than DSLR-type cameras at the same level. Add to that 8 FPS burst shooting with focus tracking and Sony's 4D focus technology, and what you have is a camera that's far better suited to shooting action than many others. With the further benefit of a tilting screen and an OLED viewfinder, the camera is arguably more flexible when you're shooting in low light or at awkward angles than the average DSLR, although the screen isn't the best of its kind, and the future of the SLT system isn't entirely clear now that Sony is focusing its attention on the likes of the A6000 below.